channel. So on this vlog we are going on a trip. Yes, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video as well. So together with some of my colleagues we are going to Kintampo. So yeah, it's around 4:30 a.m. and I'm all set. The bus would be at the hospital in a couple of minutes, so I'm just heading there now with the staff. So yay. I'm trying not to be too excited because that always jinxes stuff, but yeah, let's see how that goes. I have some snacks, a bottle of water, a book, and I also took a hand cream because of the harmattan. We just left Tamale and we're on our way to Kintampo. It's quite a distance from Tamale, it's about 3 hours, so we still have quite a journey to go. We just got to Kintampo. We are currently at the falls rest stop. It's a very beautiful place, conducive. They have all kinds of food there. So we are going to get breakfast, after which we'll be on our way to the monkey sanctuary. The journey to the monkey sanctuary was longer than I anticipated. We traveled for almost 2 hours, so I just read a book to pass away time. At this point, we're being taught how to feed the monkeys and how to relate to them. We had to walk through that forest or jungle. Under estimation, there are about 1,000 monkeys in that forest. There are the two main species, the white and black colobus, which we're trying to see at that point. And these are the Muna monkeys, and they are more than the black and white colobus monkeys, which unfortunately we weren't able to see into much detail. So I gathered all the strength I had in the world to feed the monkey and it hit my hand. So that made me even more scared than I was previously. Another thing to note is that the monkeys are buried when they die. Yes, very interesting. They are buried in the forest. They have a monkey cemetery and they are buried alongside the priests and priestesses of the forest. So in that town, the priests and priestesses are more like royalty, which is also very interesting. Okay guys, so we are done. I'm vlogging, so we are done with the monkey sanctuary. We are going to Kintampo now. It's still quite far. So yeah. I hope you can see the frustration on my face. On arrival at Kintampo, we had a little orientation with a tour guide, and we were told that the waterfalls is in 3 stages: stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3. Stage 3 is the only part of the waterfall where people are allowed to swim at because it's safer and it's less slippery. So stage 1 and 2, there are a lot of rocks around, which makes it very difficult for people to swim at. And we're also told that there's a newly introduced canopy walk. Yay! Okay, so looks like we are doing a lot of forest today. Ooh, love the sound of water. Okay, that looks weird. So this is for us. Stage.
No swimming or bathing or vlogging.
Oh please. So like that's just it. Did I mention earlier that this is the only canopy walk with a waterfalls in the whole West Africa? And we're currently walking towards the third stage, which has the canopy walk as well. Okay guys, so there's a canopy walk here. I just want you guys to see that there's a canopy walk, but then we'll be going back to use the staircase because
Not at all.
no please. Guys, so I've decided to do this thing. Guys, I made the first half. I made the first half, so I still have a journey to go. The last half. Okay. You should touch my heart right now. Oh my god, you touch my chest right now. Some serious palpitations. I made the first half. I'm waiting for those on this side to move before I can go. Fear is just an illusion. Fear is just an illusion. Fear is just an illusion. Oh my god. That's what I keep telling myself. Fear is. So this was me super excited after I completed the whole walk. Yes, I was very excited and proud of myself. I was so scared initially, but I finally did it. And yeah, I was also very proud as well because as part of my 2020 resolutions, I said I was going to do all the things that scared me and say yes to all the opportunities. So let's clap for me then. Honestly, Kintampo waterfalls is a beauty. The place smelled magical. It had amazing scenery. It was quite cold. It was absolutely beautiful. I honestly had a time of my life there. It's a good thing I packed some extra clothes. I changed. I got into different clothes and I joined them in the waterfall. The place was so cold. The water was so cold and came with so much pressure. I enjoyed every single moment of it. It was so beautiful. Guys, I think I just ran a marathon on the staircase. So we are done now. I think we'll be heading back to Tamale anytime soon. So tired. We went back to the rest stop to get late lunch because we hadn't eaten yet, and after which we started our journey back to Tamale. It took us about 3 to 4 hours to get back to Tamale. Couple of minutes to 9 and we just go home. I just go home. So yeah, had a really stressful day. Thank you so much for coming along with me. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, and please do not forget to subscribe and turn on your notification buttons as well. Oh, and do not forget to like this video as well. Thank you and see you in my next vlog.